Hello, DeSoto Pirates. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, and this is Mrs. Bookner. You can't see me, Pirates, but I'm wearing my pirate gear because today we are drawing a DeSoto Pirate. And here is a DeSoto Pirate that I have drawn and colored, and now you are going to learn to draw one along with me. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, I'm going to be working with a Sharpie, so you can see it. You will probably be working with a pencil so you can erase it. And here's the top of my paper. I'm going to start about in the middle, and I am just going to draw a curved line that goes way up and down and out a little bit. That is going to be his hat line. So underneath his hat, our pirate is wearing a bandana. So I'm going to draw a curved line or a little rainbow line to be a bandana. And then I'm going to make another line underneath that is almost exactly the same. And then I'm going to connect them. So we have the top of his hat and we have his bandana. Now my pirate is fierce and my pirate is proud and he is looking pretty tough. So we're going to do the outline of his face, my tough pirate face. I'm going to draw a line down and another straight line down, and then since my pirate is tough and proud and strong, he doesn't really have a round face. He has more of a curved line and a very straight chin for his face. So that's the outline of my pirate's face. Now, on the side, I'm going to give him some hair that's coming down from his bandana. And if I wanted to, I could go ahead and color that in. So that's going to be my pirate's hair. Now, if you're working with pencil, you might decide to color this in later. I colored mine in with colored pencil. And then on the outside of his hair, we have ears. The ears are just curved lines, kind of like the letter C. And then another little curve inside it to show his ears. And then the next thing that I'm going to do on my pirate is I'm going to draw his eye patch. Now remember, eyes usually start right by the corner of the eye and the top of the ear, the same place. So that's where I'm going to put mine. We learned that yesterday when we did portraits. There is his eye patch. His eye patch is actually the letter U with a straight line across. The next thing that I'm going to do is his eye patch has got a string across it to hold it on. So I'm going to draw two lines. His string goes under his bandana and then it goes back to his ear on that side. Now my fierce pirate has got a really big eyebrow. And I'm going to make his eyebrow pointing down like that. I'm actually even going to go ahead and color that eyebrow in because he's fierce. And then he's got another eyebrow on the other side. I don't have mine exactly in the same place, but that's okay because I think he might be raising one eyebrow a little bit. And then for his fierce eye, I'm going to draw a curved line down and I'm going to meet that with a curved line. So that's the outside of his eye. And then I'm going to draw his eye as a little semicircle inside there. And then another little semicircle inside there. Remember, whenever we draw eyes, they all have reflections in it. So I'm going to color all of that in just like that, but leave that part white. And then he's got a line that comes down from his eyebrow to make his nose. Underneath his nose, I'm going to do a little letter V to show the end of his nose. And the letter V, not the letter U. And then next to it, two more little U's just to indicate or show that that is his nose. Okay, now if you want to, you could also color this in so you know, hey, that's my pirate's eye patch. My pirate eye patch, color him in, color him in. And then my pirate also has a mustache. So I'm gonna give this guy a mustache. His mustache is actually pretty big. It starts underneath his nose and it goes curved line all the way out. And on the other side, curved line all the way out. My curved lines aren't exactly the same. That's okay. And then I'm gonna do a curved line up to meet it and another curved line up to meet it. And then I'm gonna color that in again. So his mustache is all black. And you don't have to color in right now with me, my friends. You might decide to color it in later and give him a lot of color. And that's good too. Okay, for his mouth, since he is fierce, his mouth has got two lips, but they're only a line over. And then I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger here. And then another line down underneath it, like that. Now I'm gonna add some more details to my pirate to make him fierce. I'm gonna give him a wrinkle underneath his eye. I'm gonna make his forehead up here have another wrinkle in it. And then I think my pirate better have some earrings. So earrings go right here in his ear, and it's a curved line. And then another curved line next to it. When I color that in, it's going to be gold, like a golden pirate earring, and I'm gonna give him one in the other ear. Curved line, curved line. Remember, if I am going too fast right now and you're having trouble keeping up, you can always pause the video or rewind the video and get all caught up. Now I'm gonna give another line in the bandana a little bit. And then, since his bandana is underneath his hat and tied behind his head, I'm going to make those little curved line and connect, and a curved line and connect it. And that is where his bandana is tied behind his hat. Now, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curved line around and connect his hat to the end of the bandana, and a curved line around and connect his hat to the side of his head. And then my pirate has got a big stripe on his hat. I decided to color my stripe gold. You can color your stripe any color you want. And then my pirate hat has got a great big letter D for DeSoto Pirates in the middle. And I colored that gold. Oops, better fix my D. All right. There's my D. And then the last thing that we have to draw is the back of his hat. And I'm just gonna draw a straight line across here and a curved line down. And a straight line across here and a curved line down. And there he is, DeSoto Pirates. There's your DeSoto Pirate for the day. I can't wait to see what you drew. Have a great day.